Hi and welcome to the MacBook tutorial for beginners. Today I will show you a step-by-step tutorial to delete cache on your MacBook Pro. In the Finder window, click on Go in the menu bar at the top of the screen. Select Go to Folder from the drop-down menu. In the Go to Folder window, type in /library/caches and hit Enter. This will open the caches folder which contain all the cache files stored on your MacBook Pro. Or I can show you a much simpler way to go to this folder. Let's close this window first. Now click on Go, hold the Option key, and you'll see the library directory. Click on it and go to Caches folder. Once you have selected the files or folder you want to delete, press Command D to move them to the trash, or you just simply right click and select Move to Trash. In my case, I will choose all of the folders and move to the trash. And then empty trash by right-clicking on the trash icon in your dock and selecting empty trash from the drop-down menu, and empty trash. That's it. You have successfully deleted the cache on your MacBook Pro. It's a good idea to periodically clear your cache to free up space on your computer and improve its performance. Thank you and see you next time.